Hey guys, welcome to Forex School. Today we will learn about the candlestick. That is a very basic unit of chart analysis. It is very simple, but it is very useful. First we will learn about the candles, uh, how they form, what is a body, what is a wick, and then uh, in next videos we will go to analysis of the chart and the trading system. Then this concept will be used. So the forex market is a 24-hour market. Say it never stops. It stops only on a weekend, like 1.5 day, but it is a continuous market. So basically, if we go to the charts, if we go to the charts, then we see that it is continuous candles, like this one. This is a line chart or line graph, and you see that it's a continuous price. So it is very hard to understand it, and what is a price right now, or how can we analyze the price. So for that, what we do, the Metatrader has provided us that it provided a different view of the chart, like a candlestick. So basically, candlestick, what it does that, for example, this is a daily time frame, right? So each candle representing 1 day price fluctuation. So for example, if day start at 5 p.m., then 5 p.m. what was the price? Um, for example, if we go to this candle, so the price was here, it opened the price, then it went below the price at some point, and then goes ups, downs, like a waves, and then it goes up like till high here. But when the next day, 5 o'clock, 5 p.m. came, the price was here. So that was the closing price. So this is opening, this is closing, this is high, this is low. So next candle we see the the closing of the previous candle is the opening of the new candle. So this is opening price, this is low, this is high, and this is closing price. We can see in uh, here, like you can see that I marked it like arrows, that this is open price, and this is high, this is close, and this is low. So how we know that that is opening price and this is close price? Sometimes the close price is up and open price is below. So how we know that one? So for that we go again to chart. So for that we go again to chart. So this is the chart, and let me change the type of the chart. There are three types of chart. One is a bar chart, and the other one is a candlestick chart. The third one is the line graph chart. So we go to the bar chart. In a bar chart, you see that the left wick or left line, basically this is showing the opening price, and the right line is showing the closing price. So that's opening, that's closing, that's opening, that's closing, that's opening, that's closing. So mostly you see the closing of a one candle is opening of the next candle, but very few cases you see like this one, that closing was high and opening was low, so there is a gap there. So that gap become is basically on the weekend. So like market stop, the broker, basically broker platform is stop at like a 5 p.m. Just for example, different brokers have a different timing. So 5 p.m., but the market was didn't close and it has some fluctuations of price. So when the next uh, time, I mean the market closes at on a Friday evening, and then it opens again on Sunday evening. So when the evening the market when open, so maybe the price was different at that point where the price was closed. So that is the gap there. So but that so comes only on a weekend, and but normally you see the opening and closing are the same. So in bar chart it is easy to see that this is opening, this is closing, so candle go higher, this go higher, and higher means that we say it is a bull candle. This is a bull candle, this is a bullish market, and this one is the downward candle is bear candle, and this one is dodgy candle, and then again this kind of dodgy candle, and then is saying this bear candle. So in candlestick, how we see that what is which candle is up or which candle is down. So I already told you in the previous video that we can set up the chart colors. So in chart colors I have set up like bar up and bar down, these are the borders of the candle, but the body is basically bull candle and bear candle is the body of the candle. So the bull candle means that the candle is going higher. I mean its opening price is low, closing price is higher. That's a white. White means empty because the chart background is white. So I know that the empty candles are bull candles and the black candles are the downward candles. So I can change the color to see, like I can make it green for bull candle. You see in the preview that how it looks like, and the bear candle I make it like a red. So now you clearly see, you can see that there are all the red candles, the opening price is higher, closing price is lower, and the green candle is a bull candle, opening price is uh, lower and closing price is higher. So this is the candlestick, and the other type of charts I told you is a bar chart. Some people like this one because it takes less space, uh, whereas the line graph chart, this is used for the some analysis, like you can easily see the highs and the lows, so you can draw the like trend lines on that one. So that's easy to connect with the highs. So this is going here, and then it's going higher. So this is the charts, and this is we use it. There are different time frames. So if you go again to candlestick chart, and uh, I change the time frame, like if it's a monthly, then it means that each candle is a 1 month candle. Weekly mean W1 means each candle is a 1 week candle, same like day one daily chart. H4 mean every 4 hours candle, hourly means every 1 hour candle, and same like 30 minutes, 15 minutes, 5 minutes, and 1 minute chart. So this is a, and you can see uh, if you mouse over on a candle, you can see the date, open price, high price, low price, and close price of any candle. So I hope you enjoyed this video. So we will go to the next video where we will talk about more about the trading platform and trading setups and analysis. All right. Okay, guys. See you on next video. Bye bye.